The Lariti International Centre for Performing Arts and Culture, New Shillong, came alive with vibrant cultural performances recently. The event was graced by former Arts and Culture Minister Paul Lyngdoh as chief guest, with Shakil P. Ahmed, the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, as guest of honor, and Principal Secretary Fr. Kharkongor as special guest. Also present were Idashisha Majaw, the Director of Arts and Culture, along with several dignitaries and noted artists. The highlight of the evening was the showcase of rich folk traditions from Armenia and Poland. Two acclaimed Armenian ensembles, Nanye Dance Ensemble led by Nareen Topolian and Hey Ashgar Armenian Stars Dance Ensemble led by Suren Khachatrian, presented Armenia in Motion, a program tracing the evolution of Armenian dance from pre-Christian rituals to modern compositions. Adding to the international flavor, the renowned Polish troupe Ziemi Bydgoszka's Song and Dance Ensemble, established in 1958, enthralled audiences with performances representing Poland's diverse folk heritage. The 15-member delegation presented 4 captivating programs from their repertoire of nearly 20, making their debut performance in India. The evening celebrated not only artistic excellence but also the enduring spirit of cultural exchange, echoing the words of Komitas, quote, "Dance expresses the characteristic features of every nation, especially its morals and the level of its civilization," unquote.